Hello and welcome to the 6th day of the 12 Days of Christmas giveaways. It's the 28th of December. Hope you're still having a lot of fun. This time the giveaway is for a Menace RC antenna pack. Now again, Menace RC are my favourite antennas and I use them pretty exclusively here, even on things like my Bite Frost system from Fat Shark. Now there are a couple of different kits available, antenna packs, and the winner will be able to choose the one that's going to work best for them. Now, if you'd like to be in a chance to win this, as usual, like, subscribe and comment down below, and I'll do the draw towards the end of the first week of January. Huge thanks to Menace RC for making these antennas and also providing these couple of kits for the giveaways that I'm using as part of these 12 days of Christmas. Thanks everyone for sticking with it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.